Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to break a glass ampule. So I don't know if you can see this or not, but there is a scored line around the neck of the ampule, and that is where we are going to snap it. Can you see it all?
Not really.
Right in the groove is where we're going to break the top of the ampule off. So if you can't see it on the video, sorry, it's there, I promise. I put these very small gloves on because I ran out of mediums. To break the ampule, you first want to clean around the neck of the ampule with an alcohol swab. So we clean all the way around it. And then the rest of it's pretty easy. It's normal to be apprehensive of breaking glass because it's counterintuitive. We don't normally try to break glass. But in order to make this break off smoothly, you need to put a little bit of force behind it. So even though it feels like you shouldn't be doing it, I don't want you to be afraid of snapping it because it's not super difficult to break this tip off. So the idea is, I'm going to tap the liquid down in there. The idea is to snap this clean off here so that we can withdraw from the ampule on this lower half. To do that, you want to take a gauze or maybe even two, fold them in half to give you a little bit of padding. You're going to wrap them around the neck of the ampule. And then this is important. When you snap this, I want you to snap it away from your face. So that if there are any little glass shards, there should not be, but if there are, then they don't come towards your face. They go towards your camera woman's face. So I'm just kidding. We don't want them going towards anybody's face. All right, so here we go. I'm going to take this ampule and then just break it back. So you can hear it break. Don't drop the little glass piece that broke off the neck that you're holding in your gauze. You don't want to drop that because people can be cut with that, including you. So I'm going to take that glass and dump it into the sharps container very quickly. And then we are back. So this is what we have to withdraw medication from then. You can see the liquid in there. And so that medication liquid in there is what we would withdraw. So we would use what is called a filter needle to withdraw from an ampule, and we do that in case any little slivers of glass have been broken into the medication. Again, that's not likely, but in the event that it has happened, we want to make sure that we are withdrawing with a filter needle first, and then we switch out the tip and use a regular injection needle. So that's it for breaking the ampule. If you have questions, let me know.